An Italian 3D printing manufacturer has completed the printing phase of its first eco-friendly 3D printed house made entirely of sustainable, recyclable materials. Local soil was the source material used by the 3D printers to build the circular, dome-shaped eco-habitats known as TECLA technology and clay in Ravenna, a city in northern Italy. More to follow in our next story.
The structure was designed by Mario Cucinella Architects and engineered by 3D printing company WASP. Two printers worked simultaneously for some 200 hours to build the structure, which manufacturer WASP predicted could be the future of housing, thanks to being carbon neutral and able to adapt to any climate or context. The dual-domed structure could be a solution to the current housing crisis.
So the eco houses is I think the right way and the right approach, thanks to 3D. So this can be also time saving, of course, and cost saving, to replace a new way of living.
To keep the construction as green as possible, soil was evacuated from the ground at the site of the build, dried and filtered to become more homogeneous. Once the soil was fine enough, it was mixed with rice waste and stabilizer to make it strong enough for construction as well as water resistant. The end product is clay. In terms of manpower, only 2 people are needed for each printer, one for technical support and one to monitor the process of the materials.
So according to the UN Sustainable Development Goals, the traditional approach must be turned into a new sustainable one, more sustainable, more green. We do believe that 3D printing is the answer, is the good and viable and resource-saving approach to do this.
The final installation and presentation of the TECLA eco homes is scheduled for spring.